All right, guys, today we're working on a 2013 Acura RDX. We're going to put the ignition on, hit the button twice. We have the original key, one key. We're going to hit start. It's going to go ahead and enter into the system here. This is the Autel 508. Okay, please turn the ignition switch off. We're turning it off. Place a learn key in the vehicle and take all the other keys out of the vehicle and place more than 5 meters away. Okay, turn the ignition switch on. Okay, establishing connection. Verifying the email security verification. Vehicle condition, checking in, please wait. Key programming succeeded. Would you like to learn the next one? Yes, because this isn't the new key here. Here is telling me to place all keys 5 meters away. Then what we did, we had 2 types of keys we were going to go ahead and program that were generated, one from X-Horse and one from Autel. Unfortunately, the X-Horse smart key did fail, so we went ahead and got the Autel iKey that was generated, and this was a success. So we're going to go ahead and place it there, and then we're going to hit next. And what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and program the key wirelessly. So once I put the key there and I pushed next, it did pick up the key to go ahead and program the key. Now it's going to give you a series of on and off functions. So if you can see there, we're pushing on, off, until you have a successful programming. Then this Autel iKey that was generated was working properly. We're going to go ahead and test the remote, the key, and it turns on. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So in the beginning, once you push the remote, might not work. You got to go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Once we turn on the vehicle, it sinks in, then the remote starts working. So here's the test. So this was a successful programming. If you guys like what you guys are watching, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like the video to share with others. If you have any questions, leave them on the comments. I'll go ahead and answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.